In this video, I'm going to show you how to source products from Amazon to sell on eBay and Poshmark. What I'm going to do is I'm going to search for Adidas shorts. Adidas is a very popular brand on both eBay and Poshmark, and there's great bargains to be found on Amazon. I'm going to select women and I'm going to put in Adidas shorts. Next, I'm going to press search. Once I press search, I want to click on Prime. That way I'm guaranteed free shipping. After I click on Prime, I'm going to come over to the right, and I do not want featured. I want price from low to high. I'm looking for a bargain in order to make a profit. Now, after I do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come across here, and I'm going to look for clues to what is a good deal. Notice these Adidas shorts right here are selling for $5.87, but the retail price is $45. This might be a great option in order to sell on eBay. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to be checking this out to see if I can make money off of it. I'm going to simply drag over the title. Once I drag over the title, I'm going to open up a new tab and put in eBay. When I go to eBay, I'm going to put this short inside of it here. When I press search, notice it's going to pop right up here. New with tag Adidas Women's Club Tennis Skirt Extra Large, $19. When I go back over here and I look at the listing on Amazon, I can see it's the exact same picture, the exact same skirt. So again, there's money to be made here, especially since Amazon will ship this product to me for free. And so notice I'm pretty close to about 3.5 times or 350% of my profit or the original cost. So I can definitely make money off of this. So the next thing I would do is I'd go over here to Amazon, and I need to find out what sizes are $5.87. Here's the trick to doing that. What you would do is you'd go ahead and you'd pick any size at all. So for instance, let's say we picked small. Notice it says 26.22. Obviously there's no money on that, but they do have certain ones that are $5.87. In order to find them, this is the trick. You come down here where it says new from $24.99. You right click on it and you choose open link in new tab. You have to open the link inside of a new tab. When you do, you're going to get this screen right here. On this screen, the key is click lowest offers on each. Lowest offers up here on the size and lowest offers on the color. Notice right here, I can see now that the two right here that I could probably make good money on eBay and Poshmark would be the extra large and the large. And if you remember when we were on eBay, this one right here is an extra large for $19. However, when I come over here to Amazon and I look at the price, I can see that the extra large is $5.87. So there's definitely money to be made there. Now, what I need to do next is I want to see how many of these I can purchase. Sometimes there's a limited amount. So here's the next trick. What I would do is I'd add these to my cart. I'd proceed to checkout. I'd go ahead and go to my checkout, and I would go all the way up to the point of actually ordering the product. Once I got to the point of ordering the product, what I would do is I'd come down here to quantity. I'd just temporarily change the quantity to 50, and I'd press update. When I press update, I can see that right now I'm only going to be able to purchase 3 of those. That tells me that there's 3 of them in stock, or I'm limited to 3, but at least 3 is pretty good. So I would order 3 of them like this. So with this process, you can see that you can find products on Amazon that could make money on both eBay and Poshmark. I hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. And if there's anything else you'd like to learn or know, please make a comment below.